While AI companies race to build coding assistants, a Swiss research team built a drone that can fly through fire, literally. EMPA, a Swiss Federal Research Institute, has developed something called FireDrone. Most drones fail at just 40 degrees Celsius. That's only 104 Fahrenheit, when their frames warp and electronics die. This drone, it operates at 200 degrees Celsius. That's nearly 400 Fahrenheit, hot enough to be surrounded by active flames and keep streaming live video back to firefighters on the ground. So who built this? EMPA is Switzerland's Federal Laboratories for Materials Science and Technology, basically a government-backed research institute that turns advanced material science into real-world applications. They partnered with Imperial College London and have now spun off FireDrone into its own company led by David Heusermann and Fabian Wiesmüller. Here's what makes this drone special. The secret is in the insulation. They developed a patented aerogel jacket that's almost entirely air-filled pores trapped in heat-resistant plastic. The design was actually inspired by nature. Penguins, Arctic foxes, and spittlebugs all survive extreme temperatures through specialized insulating layers. The researchers mimicked that biology with advanced materials. The drone itself stands about 50 centimeters tall and uses an aluminum shell to reflect heat, plus an active cooling system. It carries an infrared camera that streams high-resolution thermal imagery in real time to a large screen on the remote control. The team has already tested it successfully at EMPA's flight arena in Dubendorf, Switzerland. Flight characteristics and control remained excellent even with all that protective gear weighing it down. They're also developing something called the FireDrone Nest, a mobile docking station that can automatically receive the drone after missions and prep it for the next flight. This is the kind of autonomous technology that actually matters right now. Not hype, not vaporware. A real solution to a real problem that kills real people. Firefighters operating in structure fires or wildfires face a fundamental information gap. They can't see through smoke. They don't know if floors are about to collapse. They don't know where victims are trapped. Every decision is made with incomplete data, and bad decisions cost lives. This drone gives them eyes where they physically cannot go. It can fly into a burning building, map the thermal signature of the entire structure, identify hotspots, and locate people, all while firefighters watch from a safe distance. And it's not just firefighting. Industrial facilities with furnaces, refineries, and chemical plants often require days-long cooling periods before human inspection. That downtime costs millions. FireDrone could inspect these facilities during operation, cutting inspection costs and eliminating dangerous exposure. The spin-off company has secured funding from VentureKick, the Gebert Roof Foundation, and Switzerland's Innovation Booster Robotics program. The next milestone is scaling from prototype to production units that fire departments can actually deploy. Watch for real-world pilot programs with fire departments. That's when this technology proves itself. And keep an eye on that FireDrone Nest system. Autonomous docking and recharging could enable continuous aerial coverage during multi-hour firefighting operations. That's the kind of practical advancement that saves lives. This is what real autonomous tech looks like. Not chatbots writing code, but machines going where humans can't. If you want to stay updated on AI and robotics that actually matters, hit subscribe. We cover these stories daily. See you in the next one.